Hey, take a moment and picture this, the first time you hit play and everything finally feels like it should. Skytech Azure 3. You're the kind of user who's felt the frustration of stuttered gameplay, long load screens, and settings you keep turning down because my PC can't handle it. You know what smooth feels like deep in your bones, and nothing mediocre has ever satisfied you for long. Before you go further, check the current price and stock. Systems this capable don't sit still, and you'll notice if you wait. You've known it was time to upgrade when your old rig handled titles okay but never confidently. When you watched trailers run at full glory while your own machine hiccuped. When that gap between what could be and what is kept growing. That moment hits you, this isn't limiting my play anymore. Upgrading isn't just about specs on paper. The first time you load a game, there's this wave of relief that isn't bragging, it's just clean. You stop apologizing for performance. You stop tweaking settings down. Everything feels controlled, immediate, intentional. Imagine gaming sessions where maps populate before you blink. Where RTX effects actually look like real light behavior instead of a blurred shadow. Where switching between apps doesn't make you wait. That's more than numbers, that's presence. It's performance you don't think about because it just works. Don't let hesitation creep in. Stock and pricing shift, and the longer you sit there thinking, the more likely you are to regret not locking it in. Trust the instinct that brought you here in the first place. If you've wondered whether this is more than you need, that doubt disappears fast. This configuration scales gracefully from current favorites to whatever comes next. Lighter games feel effortless. Big AAA worlds feel unlocked. Here's something you don't expect at first: responsiveness. Not just fast loading, but the sensation that everything answers instantly. Click, load, render, done. And suddenly even routine tasks feel sharper. Owning something built on this level changes you. You stop thinking about limits and start thinking about what you want to run next. Frames that stay solid at high settings, worlds that load instantly, visuals that feel alive, multitasking that never stalls. Everything feels intentional and tight. It's a bigger step than a laptop, not the cheapest box you'll see. At a certain point, comparing options just loops you back here because deep down you already know what real performance feels like. That instinct isn't random. Check the price, trust that pull you felt, and decide now instead of letting another sale or price drift away. This is the upgrade you'll be glad you didn't wait on.